I got a lot to do in a little time tonight. My buddy Steven just hooked me up with a whole bunch of parts for the 240. I'll show you guys. So I have a lot to do tonight in only a few hours because tomorrow is Saturday. Gotta get ready for the drift event Sunday. So I'm gonna have no more time this weekend to really work on the 240. I'm gonna get as much done as I can tonight, so come Monday, not so much to do. I got one fender, two fender. Take off these hideous over fenders, get rid of them finally. Back here I got a decent set of headlights. Finally got some decent headlights. And I got some corners. I got some ridiculous shift knob. So all those parts are gonna go on the car. I'm gonna go ahead and start tearing the fenders off because these fenders are super ugly. Finally get rid of that orange side marker light too. Gotta figure out how am I going to disassemble this over fender from the skirt right here where men's. Gotta break the Bondo, get that off, but these fenders will be off and the cars will look 10 times better with these. These are actually a little crinkled, some dents in them, but it'll look way better than these cheap cracked fenders. I finally got this damn thing off. It weighs so much. Cannot wait to get out of the factory fenders. My girlfriend bought me Twizzlers. Look at you. That's fine. My motivation food, Twizzlers and Reese's. I'll do just about anything for a chocolate frosty. Just saying. Alright, so this right here is all bolted on. I had to beat the crap out of it on the other side to get it off. They have rivets in it. Take a hammer and just hit this line to break off the Bondo. There we go. Alright, got her off.
Easy peasy.
Got the headlights in. Both fenders basically bolted on. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with the side skirts now. You see over here, they're pretty heavily bondoed. This is actually where the original side skirts at. This is all Bondo. It has like a bunch of Bondo on it. So I'm gonna try and get the Bondo off. Not sure how well it's gonna work. Well, anyways, over here, I just cut one of my marker lights because the other one has no power. Instead of trying to see where it doesn't have power at, it's easier just splicing this one that's running a new wire over to the other side. I got the fender on. I just told you guys I gotta just put the last bottom bolt in it, and then I gotta figure out I'm gonna do the side skirt because there's so much Bondo on this dang thing. Whoever did this was not a very potty person. You should know.
New gasket. Maybe they used some of that copper sealing hopefully on there. If they knew it was broke off.
Yeah, I hope. See right there, I got a broke off manifold stud. I noticed. So I got the fenders done, headlights in, it all works.
Looking like Steve Scherzer over here.
Yes, like
This
is like an old Steve. I gotta figure out my fender flares or my side skirts. Matt's over here dicking with the radio.
It's fried.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. Turn it on there?
I did.
Swear.
Andrew's not getting it.
No, because it's gonna work, ain't it?
Yes, she does work.
Don't give it to him. Shout out to Andrew.
Did you see my cigarette lighter? How they have it all taped together?
Mm-hmm.
Over there. What are you doing over there? Well, it's like 12:30 or something. I don't know. I figure out what I'm gonna do with these still. I'm probably just gonna push them on and rivet them on there. These are the old fenders one I took off. There's so much bindle on them. You can see the old car used to be red, obviously. I got the motor mounts welded, solid to the frame down there. The interior, we got the old radio working now, the one that came with it. Turns on and off with the key, got the rear speakers working. But come Monday, I should have the intercooler kit here, my exhaust downpipe. Hopefully I don't have to pull the motor to put the exhaust on. We're gonna have to just little by little get it done. Other than that, I gotta find a stock manual transmission drive shaft so I can put that on there. And I got the lower radiator hose will be here Monday also from CX Racing. So really that's about it. Big Uglies on Facebook and Big Uglies Garage on YouTube. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Peace.